All right, today we're going to take a look at a kind of a strange little Zippo. One I've never seen before. And this one is not a real popular Zippo because it was one of the cheapest I found, but it is brand new. Now it did come in the regular Zippo black box. And it is a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. Now the back says colored suitcases. So here's a first look at the suitcases. Lots of suitcases. Really good sound. It's on a street chrome. Fires up really nice. Now this one was made in, looks like B or February of 15. Really good stampings on this. You can see there Bradford, PA, made in the USA. Let's do a drop test on this, a lit drop test. Okay, you can see that passed the lit drop test. That luggage did not fly open. So if you're going on a trip, this is the Zippo to take with you. It's the colored suitcases. And if you're going on a trip, don't forget your cowbell. Knuckle bump.